What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to the chords, the strumming, or if you're like, Ricky, tell me more about this beautiful Kumu ukulele, that'll be in the timestamps on screen right now. You can skip ahead, skip forward, whatever you want. If you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video, I totally get it, but if you do, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that we will exclusively be uploading the play-alongs on Patreon. So if you want to become a Patreon member, I'll leave a link in the description, or you can just go to this link right here on screen, type that in and become a Patreon member. That helps support this channel. And truly, I would love you forever if you became a Patreon and supported this channel, because it is definitely something that helps this channel grow and allows me to do the things that I can do. So again, if you want to be a Patreon member and watch the full play along, which again is me strumming and singing while the chords and lyrics are on screen, again, just go to Patreon or check the link in the description. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So the chords that we need for this song are E minor 7, F, F major 7, and last but not least, G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming, or let's learn more about this Kumu ukulele. Again, timestamp will be right here. That'll be your best friend. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know where to put my fingers on the uke for each chord. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. It's like a double whammy. So let's talk about the first chord that we need, which is the E minor 7. And how we're going to do this one is, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So your fingers kind of do this motion, the I've mentioned it previously, but you basically just have these two fingers and they go on the 3rd and 1st string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. So the next chord is the F major 7 chord, and traditionally how it's played is played like this. So if you want to go try this, feel free, do it. I'm not going to do it. We're going to do a easier way to play the F major 7 chord, and how we're going to do that is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 4th and 3rd string on the 5th fret. So you can either take your pointer finger and your middle finger and go over the 4th and 3rd, or you can do it like me where I just take my pointer finger and I go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 5th fret, and it should sound like this. Easier than that. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, then go ahead, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to actually play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords, now let's talk about the strumming. I'm going to teach you 3 different ways that you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner, and the last 2 are going to be with the strumming pattern. So let's talk about the first way is with the true beginner, and it's just going to be a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And to make it easier for you, I will have the lyrics and chords in the description below. That will be my gift to you. Also, there will be a full PDF form which has everything, the chords. I don't know, it's like a one-pager. It's like a cheat sheet. That again will be on Patreon. But again, the lyrics and chords will also be below, so you can copy and paste and keep for yourself. But again, everything else will be on Patreon. So the first way you can do it is with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. The second way you can do this is with a strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So let's go do it again. I have the F chord down in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, up. Let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So whenever you see a chord change, you just start up that strumming pattern again. So it's just going to go from F to G. So let's do that a couple times. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So that's the strumming pattern that you're going to use. And the third way is going to be with a chuck. So it's going to be the exact strumming pattern, but you're going to substitute the downs with a chuck. So let's do it in 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And let's do it one more time in 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So again, if you go from the F to G, it's going to sound like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Again, F and G. So those are the different ways you can play this song. Again, we can recap with the down strum, which is for the beginner who just wants to get through it. It's just going to be a strum down. And then if you're like, Ricky, I want to add a little bit of a strumming, you can do the down, down, up, down, up. And the last way is with the chuck, which is going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. All right, so we learned the chords and the different ways you can play this song with the down strum or with the strumming pattern. So congratulations, you now know how to play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to you for clicking on this video and watching and learning and just hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly can't thank you enough. So thank you again for everything and all the support. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment below letting me know what other songs you want me to do on this channel. And if you're anything like me, when you watch a uke video, you're like, what uke are they playing? Well, let me tell you what uke I'm playing. This is a Kumu ukulele. As you can see, it has their logo right here on the headstock. And it's an absolutely beautiful uke. It's a Hawaiian company and they make beautiful ukes. And this one is a thin body with a glossy finish. If you want to know more about this uke, then just go to the link in the description below, or you can go to leilaniukulele.com. And one really exciting thing is the team wanted me to give you a special offer code. So who doesn't like to save money? I know I do. So if you use code Ricky10 at checkout, you save $10 automatically off your entire purchase. Again, just use Ricky10 and you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. So just go ahead and go over to leilaniukulele.com or click the link in the description and you can just shop their ukes. They also do carry the Leilani series, which I also absolutely love. I have them all around my room. Literally, they're everywhere. So again, thank you so much to the Leilani Kumu team for making such an amazing uke and just being absolutely amazing brand to work with. Also, a couple little side note things that I do want to note is that we finally have merch. I'm wearing the Uke Fam merch sweatshirt. This is our logo for this YouTube channel. And if you want to get merch, I'm also wearing the hat here as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. Definitely go check it out. And if you do go get it, make sure to tweet me, send me a DM, post a story on Instagram or a post. I would love to retweet and share your stuff on my Instagram as well. We've reached 56,000 Instagram family members. So if you do want to add me and check my day-to-day behind the scenes stuff, just add me at Somborn. Again, as I mentioned, we've reached 56,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join if you haven't already. And again, if you do get any of the merch, link in the description below. I'm wearing the hat, which you guys know I always love hats. So whenever like I decided to do merch, I was like, a hat is something that we just have to do. So I'm wearing it, and it's so cool because it has the logo and it's embroidered on. So it's really awesome. And again, we have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, literally everything you could think of. Link in the description below, so make sure to go check it out. And again, if you do want to tag me on the socials, it's just at Somborn. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes and just learning, hanging out, and vabbing with the Dreams by Fleetwood Mac song. Again, thank you so much for choosing me to just hang out and learn new music. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment below letting me know what other songs you want me to do on this channel. And again, support me on Patreon if you want. Everything will be linked in the description below for all my socials. I love you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.